So we just got a new Tractor Supply that opened up around here. Oh yeah, Drunk News on location. So we're in the Tractor Supply today. Oh fuck. Look at these air compressors. Oh boy. Oh boy, I'm about to spend a lot of money here. Oh, Dick. Look at all the clamps. Oh, that's what we need right there. Oh, place. That's too long. Fuck it.
We really should put I'm going to borrow a cone from over here and put it out there.
How you doing, sir?
How's it going? How do you like the place?
I'm liking it. I'm probably going to waste about 2-3 hours in here just looking, so.
Take your time. We close at 8. At 8 o'clock, we might not be so happy to see you, but until then.
Oh, just kick me out, no worries.
And if there's anything you're looking for, I'm normally right here,
Okay.
but I'm always in this area right now.
Awesome. Thanks, man.
Yeah.
These new screwdrivers. Yeah, fuck, I guess it wasn't the best day for interviewing people. It's fucking cold out, nobody wants to talk to you, and, you know, just seeing an asshole like me just walking around with a GoPro on a fucking stick trying to talk to you don't work very good. But we will try again.